Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Salini and I upload videos in English language because I practice English and I want you to be fluent in this language with me so we can learn together and grow together. Okay, so guys, today I am making this video and I was thinking which topic I should choose to make videos. So I thought why not talk about a reason behind speaking in English. Okay, because if we know the reason that why we can't speak fluent English, what is the problem? Okay, so if we will know the reason, then only we can found solution, right? So the main thing is what is the problem? Why you are struggling to speak in English fluently? Why can't you speak? Most of the people uh, struggle with speaking in English like me. So if you are a beginner, you are struggling to speak in English, so the first thing you need to know the reason. Okay, so this video is all about reason. First we need to know the reason. Okay, so yeah, let's talk about this. Okay, so most of the people understand English but they are struggling to speak, right? So I think one major reason is that we often learn English in a traditional way, right? Like focusing on grammar rules and textbooks, and rather than practicing conversation. Okay, we don't get enough opportunities to speak and listen to native speakers, which makes it tough to develop our speaking skills, right? Plus we might be afraid of making mistakes or feeling shy about our accent, right? Because I also afraid of making mistakes, so I think you also. So this is the major reason. I think another reason is that speaking is a language, like we always afraid. Okay, so it takes practice, right? Like you need to keep speaking, listening and practicing to become fluent. So don't be too hard on yourself, I'm telling you. If you are struggling, just don't be hard. You need to practice a lot. Okay, and I'm here to help you. You can learn with me. So yes, you need to practice. And also the reason we struggle to speak English are lack of practice. Okay, because fear of mistakes and not enough opportunities to speak with native speakers. So in this way we are not able to speak, right? Because our environment is not like that, right? So yeah, I will say practice is the key in this struggling phase. That's how you can learn, right? And don't worry about accent. Okay, just don't worry. It's actually cool. You don't need to be afraid of making mistakes. I always say in my every video, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Okay, and another thing is we often translate our hates before speaking. Like you are thinking in Hindi and then you are trying to translate it into English. So that is really very hard. Okay, so I will say try think in English. Like you can make small sentences like I'm hungry, I want to eat, I want to run, I want to dance, like something like this. And you can also watch English videos, you can listen podcast, you can speak with yourself, you can speak with your friends. So it's all about express yourself as much as possible. Okay, so you need to practice. I always say you need to practice. So I will say just don't give up. Just don't give up. Keep practicing, and yes, you will be speaking like a pro. And yeah, this is all I want to say. And yeah, this is the best way. This is the best way. There are lots of video on YouTube. They talk about different types of ways, but yeah, the best way and the more powerful way is to speak and practice. Okay, so even if you don't have the environment, you can practice by yourself. You can practice in front of mirror. You can make small sentences, I already told you. So yeah, I will also share my journey, I think my techniques how I am learning in next videos. So join me and subscribe my channel, and let's grow together and learn together. And definitely I will share everything what I am doing. Okay, so that's all about today. This is the reason. Okay, I'm today I uh, talk about reason. So now in next video I will come out with solution. Okay, uh, also I have told you some solution in this video also, but I will come with detailed solution. Okay, so yeah. Thank you so much, and please subscribe, guys. Please support my channel. Thank you.